I'm trying ngayon guys yung aking this shoes. Look at. I'm trying to check it. I think I need to remove my, what do you think, my socks to check it if it's really nice. I feel like it's okay naman siya. But I'm not so sure. So I will think, and yeah, maybe I will buy it, maybe not. Actually, I'm not so sure. I removed na my socks and so far so good kasi like for emergency actually it's really wide. I mean like, you know, I have space. It's not like it's not high heel, but kasi normally I wear like this para especially kasama ko si Afam. But this one, it's short but it's comfy. It's like, you know, it's like trainers. Okay, I think I will buy it also because it's really comfy guys, but I'm not it's my size actually, but yeah, okay, I'll buy it. We are in Burger King guys. Ako kasi yung nag-drive kaya hindi ako nakapag-film.
If I don't have to work, right?
Yeah,
You could sell your car, my car, and you can buy a car.
oh wow, that's nice. That's nice, Alexander.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hard.
That's not hot to me.
That's hard, babe, because when you go somewhere,
have two diesel.
yeah, because when you go,
electric.
yeah, because when you go somewhere, and I want to go somewhere also, what do you do? Okay. Yan ang aking kasama, and Alexander. Dito na yung tagalinis namin. Alexander?
Yeah.
You're sleepy.
Good.
Busog na si Alexander. We are done na kumain, guys. Punta na kami ng B&Q. Yeah? Alexander, did you enjoy your food? Oh, Alexander, ay. Pagod si Alexander. Ano kayang, ano na to, 11 na to. Matulog kahapon. So, we are going to, sorry my love. Pala na-open yung sasakyan. Ako kasi yung driver today. Driver, tapos nagpe-film pa. This is Alexander. Alexander the Great.
The small.
Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Dito na kami, guys, sa B&Q. Bibili kami ng lawnmower, ha? What? Alexander? Why it's yellow?
It does say something there, but I can't.
Yeah, it's like it's blurred. So, I don't know what this means. Oh, this one is for with kids. Yeah, like that. Yeah, no, this one only, but that is yellow. So it's a romance. Okay. Let's go. You want to help, Alexander? Or maybe not? Oh, I like this plant. Let's see how much is this.
Can you put it in?
Oh, yeah, I can. Let's see, guys, kung magkano to. Because I love this plant so much. Oh, 75. Ang mahal naman. Areca palm. Guys, under naglalaro ay. Hey, don't play around here. You will get lost. Oh, ang mahal. Sayang. Gusto ko pa naman sana to. Mahal lang. My goodness. Hindi tayo ng sale na lang. Diba, no? Oh, look at it. So good. So refreshing. Babe, it's so nice, but it's 75 pounds. I mean, you know, it's expensive.
And it doesn't look that healthy.
Yeah. Maybe it's dying even. For 75 pounds and it's dying.
Better buy smaller one and let it grow.
Yeah, but let's see how much is it. The price is 28. Ah, 28. Yeah, this one is like, sorry, more acceptable, but sorry. Okay, we'll think about it. Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Looks nice, but yeah, like it. Like you. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Yan, dami sila ditong mga, ano kasi to, B&Q. Oh, this one also, how much is it? 36 pounds. Oh, much.
Yeah, I prefer this one because
it's more
they
for
are
long.
easy to care of.
Yeah.
And then the other ones, you know.
Yeah. This
I'm
is
sure
the
they
same
will
with
not
you.
die so fast. It's like forever. plant.
36, yeah.
And it's not-
Sunny room. But this is, yeah, this is the same with you.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the same with what
They
you
are
have.
not growing so fast, you know.
Uh-huh.
Like you can, for example, buy the 34 pounds, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's so big already.
Yeah.
Or this one, 42. This is
In
bigger.
B&M, 25.
Maybe this one even.
Uh-huh.
Oh, 125. Why
Oh.
is so expensive? Crazy.
Mahal ng mga plants. Mahal dito sa B&Q. Sa B&M, mas murang-mura ng konti. Okay.
Or maybe all of them.
All of them?
All of them.
Wow.
We buy all of them and we put them in the room.
No.
You need to pick?
No.
Alexander, do you want? You
You
cannot
need to
see
say
here.
if you want.
I think they have blinds here. What is this?
What?
Ah, like that.
It's
Just
trees.
trees.
Trees,
Yeah,
like
it's
that,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Just trees.
Or like this.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh,
Oh,
look
a
at that.
Christmas tree.
Yes. What is it?
49 pounds. Yeah.
Oh.
So you just put it in the ground, like that's it.
Oh.
And I can put so many on this. It's gonna be like a little forest.
Yeah,
That's it,
yeah,
babe.
yeah. And we can hide and sit there. It's
Yeah, yeah.
like a forest.
Like I will plant it like in a proper way.
Yeah.
That you can, you know,
Yeah.
go inside
Yeah.
and there's still you can put this one here, this
Yeah.
one there, like
Mm.
surrounded with trees. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
in your
nice.
garden, I
No.
don't think we can do that.
No, I don't
We
like
can-
also
we
because
can
I like
this
the
one,
grass.
Actually, like this one, we can. Because it's easy to cut. And it's not growing so much, it's not so wide, yeah? It's not spreading so wide, it's just going up, yeah? Basically. So you can always cut it. Like the neighbor in Clapham, his living fence. Yeah? It's not really growing up, you can see, yeah? It's always like the same, you just have to
Yeah.
cut it, yeah? So we can do like this outside living room. Yeah, or like that. Yeah, like this, like this.
Yeah.
Because in your garden, it should be like that. Smaller ones,
Uh-huh.
bit like that.
Yeah.
This one's on the side.
Yeah.
So they grow a little bit more and that's it. And then you just cut them.
Yeah.
You just need to cut them all the time.
Yeah.
Because if you stop cutting them, they will grow so big. And then you will have this wood here. No.
Okay.
Like,
Really?
like this.
Uh.
He has like that, these trees in this.
Uh-huh.
Abandoned house, yeah?
Yeah.
He has trees like that. Just so high, yeah?
Mm.
And then there's nothing in the down.
Yeah.
So it's pointed. So you just have to cut the top all
Yeah.
the time, yeah? And that's it. I don't like this. I like this, yeah? You can make it
Small.
smaller
Oh.
and wait.
Uh-huh.
Because that's what my parents done when they bought this garden before they sold it. Like they had it for a while. They planted this. Yeah. And after that they sold these gardens because it's like the area and like.
Look. It's like, it's nothing like in the side, yeah? So how much is it? 450. 450, but there's no in the
You know
side.
it's like forever, yeah?
Yeah, that's why.
Put it and that's it.
Yeah. But there's no side. I don't like it. There's no side. But this is 750, but you cannot lie down, yeah? Cannot lie down to this. Yeah. 250. This is the price, babe. This is cordless. Look, cordless. 18V. This is the price
Okay,
online.
give me my phone.
It's okay. Let's see. I'll give it to daddy, please. Si Alexander, pag inuutusan mo, guys, nag-ano naman talaga siya. Look, it's so easy for this. Oh, I like it. It's so like,
Oh, this one.
this is How much is it?
Motor. It's like petrol. You put petrol.
Ah, how much is it? 200, 300.
So it's not electric. My phone.
Sander's waiting. My messenger is waiting for you. Actually, guys, gusto ko to kasi.
Yeah, they have a 9 pouch.
Yeah, kasi it's 89. Tapos it's very lightweight. This one also, it's nice. This 250. It's nice also. I don't know, maybe this one. Pero, just this one. This one, meron siyang para sa grass. You know, container para sa grass. Like that here. Yung isa is doesn't have. Like to check si Afam. Can you also sometimes remove this for the grass? Grass collector? And then you do that, yeah? So, which one? The box is there, babe. If you want that. Let me check. Ito na sana yung gusto namin bilhin, guys. Yung 250. Ito. Kaso nga lang, wala silang stock. So, yan yung gusto namin bilhin. Wala silang stock. 250. And kailangan kasi namin cordless kasi nga, dalawang bahay.
Okay, like that. I have options. Look.
Uh-huh.
One tomorrow if I order now. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And I still have primary function.
Okay. Okay. Cordless, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Sa online na lang kami bibili, guys, kasi yeah, wala silang yung gusto namin. And then now, check ko lang yung sa garden if we can masyadong dito kasi to para tong Ace Hardware, parang ganon. So lahat ng mga kailangan mo nandito. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, here. Okay, here kami sa mga paint. Kasi nga, kailangan namin bumili sa bahay. And then, we're thinking this one. This is white. Floss finish. And, but we need to make sure it's the white, the same white with what we have. Kasi sometimes it's like very obvious na it's different like that. So, we'll check it. Wala kaming nabili, guys, kasi wala sila yung gusto namin na brand ng lawnmower. Tapos yung paint din, wala din sila na gusto namin. So yeah, decided na lang na mag-order sa Amazon. And we're going home na. Yan lang yung ating video today. So I hope you enjoy. Yan, Alexander, come here now. Naglalaro si Alexander kahit saan. Umiidin si Alexander dito. Pag umiidin siya sa public. Alexander, come here now. Malapit na kasi mag-4 din. So, hold my hand. Hold my hand. Malapit na din kasi mag-4. So, dito, you know, uwi na. Nakakain na kami ng Burger King. And so on. Yeah. Okay. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. At tingnan nyo ang nangyari sa buhok ni Alexander. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Yan, gawa yan ni Alexander. Yan ay. Yan. Tapos, eto pa dito. Yan sa side. Yeah. After kong magbayad ng, tinan nyo, kita nyo ba? Yeah, here. After kong magbayad ng, hold it first. Pause it first. I'm explaining to guys. Pagkatapos kong magbayad sa barber, ito lang yung ginawa niya. Yan, kita nyo dyan. So, ang mangyayari nito, what will happen? I will cut your hair shorter so much. Yeah? Are you happy? I cut your hair so short?
That's for 10 minutes with all these
Can you
hair.
explain to them why you cut your hair?
I don't know.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, yan, mga buhok-buhok yan. Mga buhok-buhok niyan. Nag-wear na ako sa kanyang, tapos, ito ditong chair. Oh my God. Okay. Kala ko madumi. Yan, buhok ni Alexander. Anyway, kukuwear lang ako. Ayan, meron pang mga hair dyan, di ba? Linis tayo, guys. Oh my goodness. Iba na talaga ang kabataan ngayon. Gumagawa na ng kung ano-ano sa buhok niya. Good morning, guys. Ano na ngayon? 9 at dumating na yung food ni Afam. Wait, let me open. Alexander is here.
Mommy?
Yeah, but to show you don't have a short.
Yeah, but food don't have boxes in there.
No, they have. Check ko lang what he ordered. Kasi nga, at least, hindi ako magluluto for the whole month. Pero this is weekly. Pang 1 week lang ito. Then, they will deliver next week again.
What is this?
The real easy tasty stick peppercorn. Let's see, ganyan siya ay. Fresh sa fridge lang ito. Like ready to
What is
eat.
this?
Ganyan. Ice. That's an ice.
Ice cat.
Yan. We'll see more. Kasi iba-ibang flavor to. Stick peppercorn, the same. Baka ito yung gusto niyang flavor. Ano to? Butter chicken, mushroom, cauliflower. Actually, yung ginagamit niya before, different siya. Nakikita ka agad siya. Ito. Oh, you don't have short. You don't have short.
I have one more day. My plants to grow.
At the same din yung backside. Oh, your plants? Yeah. So, eto na lahat, guys. Eto may another flavor dito. Flame grilled stick. Oh, wow. Oh. Eto. I'm sure beef ito. Okay, you get it. Bakit nag-order siya? Hindi naman siya kumakain ng beef. Sausage. Sorry, Sobin. Baka gusto niya lang itry. Kasi from time to time, tumatry naman siya, pero hindi talaga yung kumakain. Yeah?
The trail is not in the app.
It's in the app. Get it from the app.
Yeah, but that is sweet tea.
Yeah, okay. Katsukeri. Tapos meron pa dito, tandoori chicken. Kasi nga, anong face nito? Ganyan. Ano to? Thai super green chicken curry. So, the same lang yan siya ay. Sinecheck ko kasi kung ano yung in-order niya. Para pag nagtanong siya sa akin, kasi mangyari niya, sasabihin niya, can you get ready this one? Teriyaki chicken. So, kailangan kong kunin yun. And then, here is stick pepper. Yan, ganun lang siya. Hello, everyone. Lalabas kami ni Alexander.
Hey, I'm doing a hot team today.
Yeah, so punta kami sa labas and then I'll show you guys what we will do outside. Medyo malamig at umuulan, so I don't know. Kami lang ni Alexander. So let's see later. Nag-hot siya kasi nga tinan niyo yung buhok niya, 'di ba? Dinamage yung buhok niya kahapon. Oh my God, guys, nandito kami sa town center. Nakalimutan ko yung wallet ko. So yung license ko din wala din sa akin. Tapos nakalimutan ko yung, of course, yung card. So, wala kami pera. May coins ako sa sakyan.
Roasting sesame, please.
Meron akong coins sa sasakyan. Mga 5 pound lang. It's so bad. Uuwi ako, kunin ko yung wallet ko. Hey, lalaro ay. Kukunin ko yung pera kasi nga wala kami si Alexander dyan guys ay naghihintay siya ng mga pigeons. Nababa. Next time hayaan ko siya dito magstay siguro kasi nag-enjoy naman pala siya dito. Pero pupunta talaga kami mamaya sa flowers. Yeah.
It's time to find some more penguins.
Okay.
Come on.
Yan na. Nandito na kami. Look, Alexander. Super naughty na ni Alexander ay. Come here.
You guys, my train. You don't need my train. Now it's destroyed my train.
Okay.
What?
Okay, let's go now. Nandito kami sa taking approval photos. Continue. Full photo. I choose this product. Tapos na sa library si Alexander guys. Super happy niya sa library actually. Nag-registered na ako para I can get a library card. So next time we can borrow. Yeah. No, it's wet there. It will wet. It will be wet. It will be wet. Don't go there. It will be wet. Yeah. They saw it already.
I will show them in
In the house.
this side.
No, they cannot see anything there. Okay.
But I can see the thunder.
Okay, let's go now.
Can you see the thunder, guys?
Yes.
No, they need to say yes.
Yes.
Can you see? No, can you see the thunder, guys?
Yes.
No, you're not, guys. Hey, stop! Stop! Can you see the thunder, guys? Yes. Okay.
Punta na kami sa car park. And we'll go to get my money kasi meron ako kailangan i-send. After ko ma-send, I'll go, go back again sa post office. Guys, nandito ako sa Sainsbury. Hinatid ko si Alexander sa bahay. And then, hopefully hindi umulan. And then, hinatid ko sa isa sa bahay, sa kabilang bahay. Tapos, pumunta ako ng kabilang bahay para kunin yung lawnmower namin. Ito pala, yan. Yan. Yan yung lawnmower natin. And, yan na. Kita ba? Yan. So, bumili kami kasi nga, kailangan talaga para sa garden. And then, at the same time, bumili kami na cordless siya para, yun, di ba, I think na napakita ko na sa video. Cordless siya para sometimes dito sa kabilang bahay, sometimes dun sa kabila. Kasi may anong tawag doon, lawnmower or trimmer lang. Trimmer lang yata yung tawag sa isa. Meron si Pam na isa. Pero yung maliit lang, hindi ganito. So anyway, ang ganda kasi yung aking parking. Nandito din yung trolley. Malapit. Lock natin kasi. Wait lang. Lock natin dahil bago yung lawnmower. Tapos yung mga tao ngayon, kailangan yan. Wala namang, alam nyo, wala naman ditong ganyan dito sa UK. Pero baka matimingan tayo. Okay. Guys, ito na tayo. Nandito lang yung trolley. Ay, kuha lang ako ng £1. Ang hirap nung, vlogging na ganito. Hindi ako sanay. Hindi naman ako nahiya mag-vlog sa labas. Yung cellphone kasi yung gamit ko. Ayoko ng camera. Meron akong camera. Kaso nga lang, sobrang sobrang bigat. So yan. Dito lang. Tapos park natin after. Very easy lang, diba? To go back. Okay guys, magpunta na tayo sa Sainsbury's. Ako ngayon sa Sainsbury's. Actually, sa shop ngayon wala. Kasi nga, anong tawag ngayon? Something, diba? So here we get 3 pieces, 3 pack pala ng banana. Ang hirap mag-shopping guys. Kasi wala akong listahan all the time. So kailangan kong pag-isipan talaga. Kasi nga ngayon may food na si Afam, diba? So parang sa amin na lang talaga to ni Alexander. Si Alexander kasi mahilig siya sa noodles. And then may nakita ako dito last time na noodles na he really likes, so we'll buy it again. So nang mag-spend tayo ng kaunti dito To be honest, kailangan ko lang naman mag-reach ng 60 so I can use yung binigay nila sa akin. So, let's see na. Para kasing more than na to. More than 60 na. Pero gusto ko sanang bumili pa ng something else. But next time na lang kasi every week siya kailangan kong gamitin. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Tumawag si Apam kasi hindi ako nagpaalam na pupunta dito. So, walang signal sa loob ng Sainsbury's. Kaya, 12 missed calls yung ano niya. Tingnan nyo, walang tao, no? Ito yung sasakyan ko, guys. Hindi ko lang papakita yung plate number. Oh. Ayo, guys. Lagay ko lang to sa sasakyan. And, maybe dito na lang. Sa front ko na lang ilalagay. Because, I don't know, front. Kasi sa back, meron na yung ating blow mower. So, I'll put it here na lang sa back. Hirap ng isa lang kamay, no? Mag-vlog. Mahirap mag-vlog pa eh. Kala nyo lang easy. Here ko na lang ilalagay siya. This one is not too much. Hindi yan mabigat. Ito yung mabigat. Oh my god, hindi ko maka-carry. Mag-remove tayo ng some items. Kasi sobrang bigat niya. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay guys, sobrang bigat. Siya, and let's return it sa ano, dun sa trolley. Nandito lang yung trolley, malapit lang. Normally you will walk longer pa. Para makuha natin yung ating 1 pound ulit. So, gagamitin natin siya, nag-shopping na naman. Ganun lang. Oh my god, hindi pa nga. Yan.